This is the front of the house, and there is the entrance you need to go in between the doghouse and the restaurant. As you can see, there's a bit of a step here onto the road, and then the pavement goes 50 yards up there to the corner, and then it is level with the road. This is the access. This is just some bags of rubbish that we've moved out the way, it's not a problem. Into the back here. Some of the stuff's I've moved in here to make a bit of space. So we've got two of the drawer cabinets there, two black ones. Lots of these green bins with bits in, hand tools and whatnots. And this has got the saw in as well. And then just round the corner here, we've got the workshop and the upstairs as well. I've got a key. So here we've got the lathe, which has been unbolted from the floor, just needs picking up. All the lathe tools are up there, put them in a box in power supplies. Then the bigger mill, which is bolted to the a set of drawers, so you can roll it as one complete unit, you just leave it as it is, and the same with the CNC machine, bolted to that one. Clarkson tool and grinder that's ready to move. That's probably the biggest thing, is the shaping machine, and that's just sat on those rubber feet. And then there's stacks of bins with all the bits in all over the place. We've got quite a few of these things which are full of stuff, and they are pretty heavy, but with a couple of big lads you should be able to move them onto a trolley and trolley them around, I would think. These are the old drawers that you need to consider whether you're going to take or not. The contents are mostly old junk or even second-hand bits. And up here you've got all these plastic bins full of computer cables and caster wheels and old light bulbs and things. The rest of the stuff is pretty straightforward around here. There's a load of big stack of bins. There's stuff here to go. And then into the clock room, there's the just the pillar drill and the grinding thing, surface grinder. So some more of those metal bins which are full of bits which are pretty heavy. Should be able to move. They're all going in here. And there's some bits of stock of tubes and things. If there's anything you don't want, don't worry about it, you don't need to take it away. Just leave it behind. Or take it, I don't mind. Right, that's it then.